Little? The fuck? You've had a big deal of a little fish?
Oh, it's a little rod.
Chase it, chase it.
Oh my God.
Down here in the Gold Coast, Lockie. Bit of a road trip, literally days before or after. Look at that. PB for me. Literally. What's that? Second spot? Yep. Second cast? Third fucking literally. Yeah. Not even. Let's go. Alright, we'll get him back. Let's get some more. Let's do it. Alright. Fat, healthy fish. Fucking SNAG ADDICT represent. That's what happens when you win the fucking merch, Cairns. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about that, but I'm fucking freezing.
We had a pretty good day. Like,
we had a good run. We've got a...
Cheers, boys. Fucking honestly, like... Down there.
Oh, I just missed the top water eat with the barra. Oh.
You're gonna have to lift this. You're gonna have to lift and put it in there. It's not travel. It's not travel. I'm gonna jump it in the boat. Yeah!
Let's fuck.
Oh, fucking watch that happen. That was sick. That was sick.
Good one? Oh no.
Little hawks.
That thing ripped. It's a big yanker. Oh, right on the drop. He's pulling. Yeah, we go phone as well. Oh, he's got backies. Oh, get away from that. I'm trying to get away from that pole, bro. Oh, he's a... in the mouth again, good.
Sorry?
He's hooked good again. Oh, I think he's killed.
Get him on his side. Oh, mate, I'm giving you the good one.
Oh, cheers, bro. I'll show you how to get a fish. It's right beside that pole. Let him sink. Oh, did you actually just see that?
That was chaos for a couple of minutes.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, Zach, I'm going to roll see this for you.
Yeah.
On you, Johnson. Big. Look, pause.
Look, pause. Twitch. Holy fuck. God. Oh, it's still on it. Yep.
You got a shark. You got a shark.
Salmon! Oh, yes, cunt!
Big salmon.
Never caught one of these.
Loosen your drag.
Guys, look over there. What is that over there? Move.
Go that way.
Yeah. Oh, don't snap me fucking rod, cunt.
No way.
That's a big salmon.
Can you
Lift
just
that cunt in here.
don't lift it in? Can you? Oh, double hookups. Oh, thanks for the help, bro. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The hook's in me. Calm down. It's just the fish.
Oh, this is fucking up like a CT.
Holy. Got double hookups of this. No way. Hook up. Big salmon. Let's fucking go, boys.
Yes, lad.
Yeah. Oh.
Imagine trying to deal with a 50 kilo one of these.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, if I just had that, we would have almost had a triple hookup.
Look at the boils up there. Oh, yeah.
Another one. Oh, I dropped it.
Hold up.
Everyone's just getting hookups everywhere. Let's go.
Sorry, if I'm in the front and fucking around with the fly, so I'm gonna drop it.
I'm just gonna go above you, but if you
You're gonna get bopped in a second, mate.
So if you hook up, I'll remove my rod instantly.
Fuck! That just ripped the fucking rod out of my hand, that cunt.
Is he still on?
Yeah, he's down here. Oh, he's not even that big. Hold up, I'll just let him.
Another little Trev. Toucan. Oh, let's go.
Sorry, Josh.
There you go.
Old one. Oh, hit. Yeah. Oh, muck around, eh? Just G him up, keep him on his toes. Oh, on it.
Oh, Jonty. Let's fix that.
Oh, it fucked the lure.
Oh! I can see me fly and they're just coming fucking.
That's nuts.
Shocking.
Oh.
Yep. Oh, that's fucking, that hit hard.
Another T-pond.
Probably. Fucking, what a jump.
That's awesome. I just launched. Let's go. Turtles. Yep. Ooh, that was a big barra, bro. Get out of it, cunt. You're a fat girl. I have a feeling the next fish I'm gonna lose. Because we're a bit chafed. Oh.
What are you doing, Cat?
Yep, there you go. Oh, my hand was in front of that jump. Oh!
You're gonna lose the next one.
I literally said that!
The cunt outside the...
Oh, it's Jake on.
Big barra?
Now we're in the zone, boys. Let's go.
Looks good. Oh, good jack. Oh, no,
Looks silver.
Not a G. It's a barra. It's a G.
It's a barra, you dickhead.
It's a little G.
It's a fucking barra.
The barrels
Oh,
are
there you
on.
go.
Oh.
This is what I wanted to bring you, Steve.
Oh, it's been some hard fishing last week and a bit, so very rewarding.
Big Jack Mundo.
Big Jack and easy. Yep, let's go, son.
It's little queen. Oh, over the boat. Oh, look, G.
Oh, just missed it. Another queen. Oh, another big tarpon. That is a fat fucking tarpon. Let's go. Double hookups on the tarpon fly.
Mine didn't fucking swim away properly. Oh, that's a good tarpon, that.
Let's go.
Alright, unhook yourself, buddy.
Get off, buddy. GoPro in. Do you want your phone or my phone? My phone quickly.
Look over there, look at those.
Yeah, I was just peeking. Oh, oh, yep, yep, let's go.
Yes.
On the tarpy?
Is it a tarpon?
Yeah.
That's a variety.
We just
On
missed
the
the queenie. Got the trevally. If the camera didn't die, barra, 2 barras.
On the
Let's
one.
That's
go.
3 different fish.
Let's see if I can just...
Boys are on in the rule 2.5.
Oh, I mean.
Nice.
This is what I expected all day. Watch mine, mine's got a hop out there, got you ready?
Coming out.
Fucking get them shows and shit. Don't catch fuck all. Fucking literally.
Stood up fishing all day.
He stood up fishing, sits down. Fucking look at him go.
What do we got? Mango jack or a cod or a baby barramundi?
Hasn't jumped that. Oh, codly. Was that such a sitting on the bottom?
Must have been.
Yeah, I got sport shot in landscape. Look at this. Look at that. Boys.
Oh, should I go? Oh, fuck.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's swimming at me. I'm losing line. I have no idea. You might want to chase this. I'm about to get spooled.
Oh, shit. You really gotta get spooled. Do you want spooled?
Oh, no.
He's just coming at you. It's ready.
What?
I reckon it's ready.
You reckon that's a thready?
That could be ready.
Can't, I've burnt that thing through that. Oh yeah, no. You have to go. Look at that. No.
Oi, the one cunt that everyone thinks is a shit cunt.
On the fucking...
Get you onto the fucking fish, mate.
I don't know what it is. It could be little, but...
Little? The fuck, you've had a big deal of a little fish.
Oh, it's a little rod,
Chase
mate.
it, chase it.
The
Oh, my
drag
brim. Come.
We're good. On Mitch's rod too, eh?
Yeah.
How's the call? Dinner, bro.
Not a tuna.
It is a tuna. I swear to God, it's a tuna. It's a mac tuna.
Yeah, okay.
I was gonna say Mackie.
Watch that anchor.
Yeah, we're all good. Over this side?
Yeah, just swing it into me and I'll just boat it. Just don't pop that fucker. Watch him under the boat. That is a good one too. Wait, that is a fucking good mac tuna, bro.
That's fucking sick. That's good.
This cunt's gonna start with the
Yeah, he's
relaxing
gonna-
driver.
Little healthy one. Can't complain. Yeah, boy. Oh, there's a little one. Fuck yes. Get him. Oh, he's good. Here, you want me to land him or you good? His pin good, just get him up. Can you grab him?
Yeah.
Is that one ready?
One big barra. Two barra.
Bro, literally off the surface right there.
Get him in.
He's good, he's well pinned.
Got him. Like definitely should put a placky on him.
That just dumped like 50 metres.
Big Queenie.
Nah. It's got some serious weight. I'm going to call it right now. I don't want to say it, but it
Trevally.
might be a ray or a shark, yeah.
Yep. I just got a bar sitting down.
Oh, you're kidding? Oh, fuck yeah. Hold on, let me get a video.
I don't lose it.
Bro, what a loser.
I'm stood up fishing all day, can't sit down for 2 minutes. What have we got? A mangrove jack or a cod or a baby little barramundi?
Hasn't jumped though.
Oh, it's a little cod.
Was that just sitting on the bottom?
Must have been. Quick brekkie stop. Oh, you missed it! Almost shark bait. Got it.
Oh, could you fucking go?
I'm not catching any fish, bro. I'm not catching any fish ever.
Sabotage.
Fuck, bro.
Oi! Come on! Lenny!
Ooh,
I'm shorter, eh? Hold up.
just.
Why don't you just feel your ass go upwards?